Hi, you're doing your business peacefully, but I think peace will not be stay long time because it's 2026 and everything is like updating like a bullet train, right? And and if you don't update your business or your business visibility, and if you don't actually think about your business like fastly, you can't grow more and you can't get more clients. Okay, so if you just focus on Google, like people will search on Google and find and people will find my business and they will call me. That's okay. That's you're thinking actually correctly. But another thing is it's 2026 and most people are using AI like ChatGPT. Yeah, most people using ChatGPT and also Gemini and Copilot and also like Perplexity, and they're actually using, and people want people actually don't want to waste their time. People actually manage their time. You also write your post, your like Facebook post or Instagram post using ChatGPT. That's totally normal, right? And also people are actually looking for like services. They're using ChatGPT to find like who is the best service provider in their area. Like I searched here who is the best cleaning company in Auckland. So I'm a user. Okay, I'm a user and I need the gutter cleaning. I mean the best cleaning service. I need the best cleaning service. Who is the best cleaning service? I want to know. So I'm just searching on ChatGPT. And think about your business. Whatever you do, someone just searching on ChatGPT and ChatGPT giving them this kind of result. Here's you can see the maps. It can be like the Google Maps, and you can choose ChatGPT actually mentioning people want to manage their time, so people don't want to waste their time to like finding who is the best cleaning company or who is the best company in their area. So people are just using the ChatGPT and any other AI tools. So you can see ChatGPT just mentioned highly recommended cleaning companies in Auckland. One, two, three, four, five. ChatGPT actually mentioned five business. They're just best, and there are many things, good reviews, like better ratings and better behaviors. And the first business is ChatGPT mentioned DT cleaning. So think like, and the second is Cleaning Pro, Fizzy Cleaning, the Clean Sweep, this kind of businesses. So think like you are also the business owner, and when people are searching actually with your business, with your service that you provide actually, so people are searching, and ChatGPT will mention like that. ChatGPT will mention your business like that. How is amazing, and I will choose them. I will choose DT cleaning or cleaning pro. Definitely I will choose DT cleaning. And actually I can do it for your business. Whoever will search with your service, and I can do actually everything that uh, ChatGPT will mention your business. So if you're just focusing on Google and referrals and through word of mouth, don't do that. Actually, it's 2026 and you have lots of opportunity than you think. So I can do it for you. If you need any kind of help, just let me know in the comment. Have a good day.